Alright, so today we're going to be doing a review of this Wedderspoon Manuka Honey Eucalyptus drops. These were on sale, but the sale price I'm going to tell you right now is actually quite high. I thought this on the picture that I saw it online, it was much bigger. And when I got it, look at this. Look how small this box is. It's the size of my hand. So I was actually quite surprised when I got this. It's so tiny, and this was on sale. So kind of disappointing. I thought it was going to be bigger. So anyways. Here's the back, but apparently got somewhat good reviews, so I'm going to try it out. Here's the back there. There's the sugars, and there's the Manuka honey, look, eucalyptus. So yeah, I'm kind of curious to see what it tastes like. So let's open this up. So as you can see, look how small this box is. Okay, so there's the thing right there. If it doesn't taste like it, like I'd probably be better off with like Ricola or something, right? So let me check this out first. So it's in my mouth right now. It tastes like a it tastes almost like a Halls, but yeah, it tastes like a Halls pretty much. But it has a almost like a honey type of feel to it, like the scent of honey. But that's about it. So it's more like a Halls. So when I purchased this, actually, if I had to choose, I'd probably choose Ricola over this. This was like $10. I'm not joking. So, anyways, guys, you can check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.